User warning, Matplotlib is currently using AG, which is a non-GUI backend, so cannot show the figure, when plotting figure with pyplot on pycharm. I am trying to plot a simple graph using pyplot, e.g. But the figure does not appear and I get the following message. I saw in several places that one had to change the configuration of Matplotlib using the following. I did this, but then got an error message because it cannot find a module. Then, I tried to install tkinter using pip install tkinter inside the virtual environment, but it does not find it. I should also mention that I am running all this on pycharm Community Edition IDE using a virtual environment, and that my operating system is Linux/Ubuntu 18.04. I would like to know how I can solve this problem in order to be able to display the graph.
Solution 1 is to install the GUI Backend TK. I found a solution to my problem, thanks to the help of important CF bingenist. All I had to do was to install tkinter through the Linux bash terminal using the following command. Instead of installing it with pip or directly in the virtual environment in pycharm. Solution 2. Install any of the Matplotlib supported GUI backends. Solution 1 works fine because you get a GUI backend. In this case, the tag. However, you can also fix the issue by installing any of the Matplotlib GUI backends like Qt5ag, gcag, Qt4ag, etc. For example, pip install pyqt5 will fix the issue also. Note: usually this error appears when you pip install Matplotlib and you are trying to display a plot in a GUI window and you do not have a Python module for GUI display. The authors of Matplotlib made the PyPI software depths not depend on any GUI backend because some people need Matplotlib without any GUI backend.
In my case, the error message was implying that I was working in a headless console. So plt.show could not work. What worked was calling plt.savefig. I found the answer on a GitHub repository.
If you use Arch Linux, distributions like Manjaro or Antegros, simply type, and all will work perfectly.
Simple install. It works for me.
Try import tkinter because pycharm already installed tkinter for you. I looked installed tkinter for Python. You can maybe try. As a tkinter installing way. I've tried your way, it seems no error to run at my computer, it successfully shows the figure. Maybe because pycharm have tkinter as a system package, so you don't need to install it. But if you can't find tkinter inside, you can go to tdocs to see the way of installing tkinter. As it mentions, tkinter is a core package for Python.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.